We all write emails, lots of them, every single day. It can be a real pain. You need to reply to your boss, ask for help, or send a thank you note. Each email needs thought and time, which adds up quickly. Sometimes you just stare at the blank screen. What should you write? How do you start it? How do you end it politely? You write a sentence, then delete it. It can feel like a big test. Think about all the emails you send, sales emails, follow-up emails, emails to your team, emails to clients. It never seems to end, does it? And if English is not your first language, it can be even harder. You worry about grammar, spelling, and sounding natural. This worry takes even more of your precious time. This is where things can change. What if writing emails was easy? What if it was fast? Imagine an assistant. A smart assistant that helps you write better emails much faster. This is not a dream. This kind of help is here now. It uses something called AI, artificial intelligence. Let's talk about it. So, what is this magic helper? It is an AI email writing tool. Think of it like a clever friend who is really good with words. You tell it what you want to say in a few simple words. The AI tool then does the hard work. It writes the email for you. It sounds amazing, right? Because it truly is. This tool uses advanced AI. It understands language and learns from millions of emails. It knows how to write well, sound good, be polite, and be persuasive. You get a great email draft in seconds. This saves you so much effort. The main benefit is saving time. We all need more time. This tool gives you some back. Time you can use for other tasks or just to relax. Another big benefit is less stress. No more staring at a blank page. The AI gives you a great starting point, often a perfect ending point too. It helps you sound better, more professional, clear, and confident. The AI can craft messages that get results, better replies, better connections. It is like having a writing coach always there for you, ready to help with any email, anytime you need it. This is a real game changer. It can change how you feel about emails. How does this AI tool actually work? It is simpler than you might think. You do not need to be a tech expert. The tool usually has a simple box. You type a short instruction in this box. This is called a prompt. Your prompt tells the AI what you need, the main idea of your email. Let's try an example. Imagine you need to email your colleague for a project update. Your prompt could be, ask Sarah for update on Project X. Need it by tomorrow. That is it. Just a few words. You give this simple instruction to the AI tool, then click a button. In just a few seconds, the AI writes an email. Hi Sarah, hope you are having a good day. Could you please provide an update on Project X? I need the information by tomorrow if possible. Thanks so much. See, it is polite, clear, and ready to send. Much faster than writing it yourself. This is a basic example. You can give more details or ask for specific points. The AI will include them. The more information you give in your prompt, the better the AI can understand. It makes email writing feel easy, almost like a fun game. Section 4. Change your tone. From serious to chill. One of the coolest things is changing the tone. Emails are not all the same. Sometimes you need to be very serious, like when writing to a new client or your big boss. Other times you can be more relaxed, like when emailing a teammate you know well. This AI tool understands that. It lets you choose the tone. Most tools have tone options like professional, casual, friendly, bold, or persuasive. You write your simple prompt, then select the tone you want. The AI will then write the email using words and phrases that match that chosen tone. This is super helpful. It makes your emails more effective. People respond better to the right tone. Let's say you used our old prompt. Ask Sarah for an update on Project X. If you choose professional, you get a formal email. If you choose casual, it might say, hey Sarah, quick one, any update on Project X? Need it by tomorrow if possible. Cheers! Much more relaxed, right? Perfect for a friendly colleague. It's that easy. This feature is incredibly powerful. It is like having many different writing styles all available with just one click. It helps you communicate much better in every situation. Section 5. Ace your job hunt with perfect emails. Job hunting can be tough. You send out so many applications. Each one needs a great cover letter and a perfect email. Your email is often the first thing they see, so it has to be really good. This AI tool can be your secret weapon. It helps you craft amazing job application emails. Think about writing a cover letter. It can take hours. You need to tailor it to each job. The AI can help you do this faster. You can give it the job description and your key skills. Then, it can draft a strong cover letter or the email that introduces your resume. This saves you a lot of time. What about follow-up emails? After an interview, you should send a thank you. The AI can write a polite thank you note, mentioning specific things from the interview. This shows you were paying attention and makes you look very professional. It can really boost your chances. And it's not just for applications. Need to ask for an informational interview? The AI can help. Need to connect with someone on LinkedIn? The AI can draft a message. It reduces the stress of writing these important emails. It helps you put your best foot forward every single time. Section 6. Emails everywhere, Gmail and beyond. This AI email tool is very flexible. It is not just a separate website. Many of these tools can work with your email directly. For example, some tools integrate with Gmail. This is super convenient. You do not have to switch between tabs. You can use the AI right inside your Gmail. This makes your workflow much smoother. Imagine you are in Gmail. You are about to write a new email or reply to one. With the integration, the AI tool is right there. You might see a small button. You click it. You type your short prompt. The AI writes the email in your Gmail draft. You can then edit it if you want or just hit send. It is seamless. It is so easy. This integration makes the tool even more powerful. You use it where you already work. It becomes a natural part of your email routine. Besides Gmail, some tools offer browser extensions. These extensions can work on other email platforms or even on social media sites, places where you write messages, so the help is always nearby. Think of other uses. Writing a complaint email, the AI can help you stay polite but firm. Sending out party invitations, the AI can make them sound fun. The possibilities are almost endless. It helps with so much writing. Section 7. The good, the not so good, and your turn. So, we have seen many good things. This AI tool saves you time, lots of time. It reduces your stress about writing. It helps you write better emails, clearer, more professional, or more casual, whatever you need. It can even help you find a job or start a side hustle writing emails for others. That is a cool idea, right? Freelance email writer powered by AI. But are there any downsides? Well, sometimes the AI might not be perfect. It is very smart, but not human. So you should always read the email before you send it. Make sure it sounds like you. Make sure it has all the details right. Sometimes it might miss a small thing, or the tone might be slightly off. So, a quick check is always good. Always. Another thing to think about, if you rely on it too much, maybe your own writing skills do not improve. So, it is good to use it as a helper, not as a total replacement for your brain. Use it to learn. See how it phrases things. This can help you become a better writer too. It is a tool, a very powerful tool. Use it wisely. Now, it is your turn. Are you tired of email stress? Do you want to save time? Do you want to write better emails? Then you should try this AI tool, see how it works for you. Most tools offer a free trial or a free version so you can test it out, see if it fits your needs. I think you will be amazed. Give it a go. You can sign up using this link, your AI tool sign up link here. Let me know how you find it.